I have one brother.
Mm-hmm.
He is 20 years old.
Good. I have one brother. He's 20 years old. OK? J'ai un frère. Il a 20 ans. OK?
I have two sisters. They are students.
OK. Two sisters.
Wait, j'ai dit, I have two sisters.
Correct?
They are students.
Dear students. I have two sisters. Dear students.
Students, yeah.
OK? Good.
I have a dictionary. Is on my desk.
OK. Dictionary is a thing. OK? C'est une chose, a thing. So we say it's. We use it for things. Okay. So can you take it again?
Okay. I have a dictionary. It's on my desk.
Correct. I have a dictionary. It's on my desk. I have a dictionary. It's on my desk. Okay, that's great. Number 6.
I like my classmates. It's friendly.
My classmates, plural.
My classmate.
Okay, I like my classmates. It's plural. So
I like my classmates. Your.
Correct. Dear.
Yours friendly.
Okay, dear friendly. Do not say dears. No. Dear friendly.
They are friendly.
Correct, friendly. So they are friendly. They are friendly. Friendly, amical.
Okay.
Friendly, like amical. Okay. Classmates, les camarades de classe. Friendly, amical. So I like my classmates. They are friendly. J'aime mes camarades de classe. Ils sont amicaux. The 7th one.
I have 3 books. It's on my desk.
Okay, 3 books. 3 books. C'est pour dire, ils sont, j'ai 3 livres.
Okay, I have 3 books. They're on my desk.
Correct. I have 3 books. They're on my desk. I have 3 books. They're on my desk.
My brother is 26 years old. He is married.
Wonderful. He's married. Married. Okay. Il est marié. He's married. Okay. My brother is 26 years old. He's married. He's married. Mon frère, 26 ans, il est marié. So, you see, in French, we say, mon frère a 26 ans. Ah, 26 ans. But English, you say, mon frère est 26 ans. Do you understand? So, that is it. So, my brother is 26 years old. He's married. Okay?
My sister is 21 years old.
Okay.
She's single.
She's single. My sister is 21 years old. She's single. She's single. Okay? Elle est célibataire. Ma sœur a 21 ans. Elle est célibataire.
Jacob and Ali are students. They are in my class.
Good. They are in my class.
Okay. I like my books. They are interesting.
Correct. I like my books. They're interesting. But I like my book. It is interesting. It's interesting. Okay. So I like my books. They are interesting. I like my books. They are interesting. I like my book. It's interesting.
I like grammar. It's easy.
Wonderful. I like grammar. It's easy. I like grammar. It's easy. It's easy. C'est facile. It's easy. C'est facile. I like grammar. J'aime la grammaire. It's easy. C'est facile. Okay, the next one.
Cat and I live in an apartment. They are roommates.
Okay. D'abord, Kate and I. Ça veut dire que c'est oui, c'est nous.
Donc, Kate et moi.
Kate et moi. Kate and I. So, c'est nous, right? Kate and I is equal to we. So, Kate and I live. Live. Kate and I live. Live comme ça, c'est lorsque il s'agit d'être en direct. OK? OK, en direct. Comme on regarde ballon en direct. Okay, we're watching football live. OK? Do you understand? Ou bien être live en Facebook ou à TikTok. OK? Do you understand? C'est là qu'on écrit live comme ça. Mais live, c'est habite. C'est même écrit, mais maintenant c'est habite. On dit live. Okay? Kate and I live in an apartment. Sorry, Kate and I vivent ou bien habitent dans un appartement. Do you understand?
Okay. Kate and I live in an apartment.
Appartement.
Apartment.
Good. Man, c'est comme français. Mais ment, c'est anglais. Apartment.
Apartment.
Correct. Apartment. Ment.
Apartment.
Good. Can you take it again, please?
Okay. Kate and I live in an apartment. We are roommates.
Good. We are roommates. Wonderful. Kate and I live in an apartment. We are roommates. Kate et moi vivons dans un appartement. Nous sommes de colocataires, c'est ça? Si vous la trouvez utile, likez, partagez et suivez ma page. Si vous avez des questions, posez votre question en commentaire et je vous répondrai. All right? Good.